Your ID can do more online. For example, you can use the app to start the air conditioning or check the charge level while you're out and about. To use the mobile online services and save your personalized settings, you will need to connect your ID with Volkswagen. Your Volkswagen partner may already have done this for you. If not, here's how to do it. As soon as you press the brake pedal, your ID is ready. Install the Volkswagen app on your smartphone, create an account, and let the app guide you through all the steps. Finally, scan the QR code on your infotainment screen. Your Volkswagen ID user account is now connected to your ID. You are now logged in as a user and can use the mobile online services for your ID in your Volkswagen app. In addition, your personal settings are instantly linked to your Volkswagen ID user account.
Volkswagen.